Today we're taking a closer look at the Jimi JC181 Mini 4G dash cam, a compact video telematics solution designed for real-time vehicle and fleet monitoring. This device combines front-facing and in-cabin cameras with powerful LTE connectivity, making it ideal for light vehicles and fleet operations. The JC181 supports live video streaming over 4G, allowing you to view what's happening inside and outside the vehicle in real time. Through the free mobile app or web platform, you can also play back recorded footage, download important clips, and access critical evidence whenever needed. With built-in GPS and GNSS tracking, the dash cam provides accurate vehicle location, route history, and driving behavior insights. The device also supports Wi-Fi hotspot functionality, enabling network access for other onboard devices. Safety and management features are a key highlight. The JC181 includes multiple intelligent alarms, helping detect unusual events and improving driver accountability. By integrating video with telematics data, it ensures that recorded information is authentic, timely, and reliable. The compact design makes installation easy without blocking the driver's view, while internal storage allows video and image recording directly on the device. This makes the JC181 a practical and efficient solution for fleet managers who need visibility and control without complex hardware.